it took me 2 years to be able to record this video. I'm not sure if y'all can hear it, but the tires are picking up all the rocks on the road from that burnout that I did. All right, so finally, 2-year-long project. We're finally here, finally driving, finally doing a POV video. You know, definitely a 700 horsepower car on a 6-speed. It feels a lot different, a lot more aggressive than my car that makes well over 1,000 horsepower, but with the turbo 400 transmission. And this is honestly a yeah, it's a lot of fun. Definitely a lot of fun. 6-speed, it's good stuff, right? But it's a lot more work whenever it comes down to putting down the power, and that is also because I don't have the traction control set up. See, I don't know if you guys noticed that the tires just spun. Of course, the tires are cold. It's actually fairly cold out today. It's about 40 something degrees. So the tires are not gonna hook up at all, probably. But maybe it'll make this video much more interesting. The sun glare is gonna mess up my video though. Hopefully not. See, I'm gonna show you guys how the car hooks up. It doesn't hook up much at all. Oh man. Woo. Definitely sounds really, really good. Really good. I'll drive one more time. I'm trying to look at the air fuel ratios, make sure I'm still okay, since I moved that setting on the fuel pump. Oh man, beautiful. 11.3. You guys will see it on the next video, but I did a little bit of changes on the way the fuel pump is set up and how it operates, the high switch and all this good stuff. It's been a while since I've driven a Supra with the GoPro on my head, so getting used to people staring at me. I don't know if you guys know this, but I am very introverted, so this is very awkward. I'm a very introverted, high anxiety person who makes YouTube videos. Whew, still don't understand how that happened, but here we are. This guy to my right is staring at me like I'm crazy. Oh, he turned around finally. You know, driving the 6-speed, it's definitely a lot of fun. I'm not gonna lie. I love my turbo 400s, but this is really nice, especially with the Tilton SC246 clutch. You know what? I'm just gonna go around. Oh, what the hell? There's people in kayaks there. That's that river. I didn't even know people were allowed in there. I don't really go out much. I don't know if you guys can see them. They're in there. There's 3 kayaks. You know, so far I'm very impressed. I mean, the fact that I built this car completely in my garage and, you know, without ever having any experience with Supras, it's crazy how well this car works. I'm very, very happy. Very impressed with myself. Damn, this is gonna be a tricky entrance. Oh god. Too many cars, it's not gonna work. All right, I guess I'm gonna have to go a different way where I didn't want to go. Thank you, sir, for letting me in. So for those who may not have picked it up already, I do not live in the best area. But yeah, that's actually one of the reasons why I do this whole social media stuff. Hopefully one day I can afford to get my family into a nicer neighborhood. So with that being said, you guys mind subscribing and liking the video? Nah, just kidding, you guys. You guys do that if you enjoy my content, and that's it. Which I hope you do. Woohoo! God damn, now I'm glad I came this way. That sounds so nice. You know, driving such a rare and expensive car during traffic hours like this can get a little bit stressful. So you got to be on guard. If you guys ever get one of these cars and you decide to drive them as much as I do, defensive driving, you guys. You watch everything around you at all times, because you can trust yourself, but you cannot trust other drivers. Just some advice. It was not my plans to end up in downtown, but hey, here we are. Oh, this glare though. My video's gonna get ruined. Alright, so what was I trying to do? Fuel pressure. Alright, fuel pressure is good. I was trying to go through all these screens just to make sure everything was okay. Alright, I don't know what's going on here. Okay, there we go. I'll see if I can find the peak boost that we hit right now, but I cannot find it in one of these screens somewhere. All I know is that the car is pretty much maxed out and is pushing around 32 pounds of boost. Guys, if any of y'all have this BTI screen, how the heck do I go back to the main page? Like, I hit something and then it like locks up on me. Okay, see, okay, now I skipped to a screen that I've never even seen before. There we go. I'll leave it there. I'm just not gonna touch it anymore. If any of y'all are wondering where my Supra's at, my Supra is actually still at the shop. Unfortunately, I'll give you guys an update as soon as I get one. The good news is that it's already made more horsepower than it made it before, but I'm still wanting more. So that's the reason it's still at the shop. I think those two guys on the left were recording me. Makes me feel happy about all the work I put into this car. When people like what they see, because damn it, it was a lot of work. All right, it's about that worst traffic hour, so I'm gonna head on home before I get caught in this mess. Ugh. What do you guys think about the interior? I'm so happy how it came out. The car used to look like crap whenever I first got it, for those who remember. Making turns like that on pretty much slick tires, not the best idea, so I had to kind of go easy on the throttle. You know, all this time that I've been driving, I haven't even put into 6th gear once. There you go, 6th gear. See, that's why 3 speeds are better. You don't need 6 gears. Turbo 400. Nah, just kidding, just kidding. I'm very curious about the boost pressure. Let's try a small pull and let's see what we get up to. Just real short. All right. All right, that was almost 32 pounds of boost. Almost 32 pounds of boost right before I let off. I think it would have hit 32. All right, I'm gonna turn up my system now and catch you guys at the house. All right, and we're home. Fuel pump is de-priming or whatever you call that. Turn off the lights and we're good. And my phone fell in here. Oh crap. So there it is, you guys. The car is done. So as you guys can tell, the interior is pretty much all done, put back together. I got done putting the trunk back together. Interior, all good. And for those who haven't seen it before, this is a power plant. Pretty much built all this stuff here. Built the intercooler piping, like the exhaust, the turbo kit, basically everything except for the manifold, because it's a log manifold, which I need to get rid of. I don't like it. But there it is, guys. My creation. Now you guys see how the car runs. It runs pretty damn good. Yeah. I guess my welds aren't, they don't look the greatest, but I mean, they're holding in. So you guys stay tuned for the next video. I was actually driving really slow on my street just because I just recently installed something that's probably gonna get the neighbors to hate me more than they probably already do. So if you guys want to see this thing do some pretty loud stuff, stay tuned on the next video. So all right guys, gonna let you guys go. I gotta go to edit and get this video out for you guys this weekend. So we're finally back on track, you guys. I'm really chasing that YouTube plaque. So if you guys please can help me share my videos, like, comment, all that stuff, and hopefully I can get there one day. Later.